Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their metal laptop stand. Front of the box, nothing around the edges. In the back just tells you your assembly instructions. It's made of aluminum alloy with a silicone pad, weighs 320 grams, suitable for all tablets. Laptop stand. Let's take it out of here and show you. Nope, no instructions because it's on the back. So you have your screws and an Allen wrench, your main little support bar, and then this is like the 2 feet. So these two, of course, kind of just sit like this, and then this bar goes in between them right here. So I'll put this together and show you what it looks like with my MacBook Air M2. So we've put this laptop stand together, very nice and easy with the 4 screws. And essentially, take a laptop like this one, open it up, set it on these nice pads, so that your laptop is a little bit off the ground. This will, of course, help with airflow depending on the design of your laptop. And if you come in every day and just set your laptop on a dock, this would be great to set it on. That will essentially do it for this laptop stand. Thanks again to the company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching this unboxing and demonstration. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.